So I'm going to show you a post-ride way to stretch out the muscles behind your neck. This is for cyclists and basically anybody who's waking up and they're super tight because they're curled up tight at night. All right, here we go. I'm going to stand over here and I'm going to go sideways. Basically, the fascia connects from the top of your toes all the way up the front line of the body to the core, through the chest, and it actually wraps around behind your ears here to the neck. All right, so the fascia is that connective tissue that really tightens up when it's not stretched out, and that's how come we have a lot of muscular pain. All right, so if you're in that one position for a long time, either cycling or curled up tight. Okay, so here we go. It's very simple, like you're drawing the letter S with your body. So I'm gonna go sideways. All right, you're gonna bend your knees, lift up to the toes, hips forward, and then heels down. Okay, so it's bend, lift, heels down. And then I always like to say, get a little dramatic, okay? Really give it a good wiggle wiggle. So it's bend, lift, and then you can bring arms up. All right, can you see that? So my arms are really, my hands are together, and I'm gonna try to hug my ears and not bring my arms away from my ears. All right, so it's bend, lift, throw the ball. Bend, lift, throw. Almost like you're throwing a ball at a soccer game. Bend, lift, throw. Bend, lift, heels down, throw. You can also add a weighted ball or like little tiny weights. I'm going to show you here with 2-pound weighted Pilates balls. Okay, this is only after you've practiced this a handful of times. Okie dokie, can you see that? So my arms are up, I've got the balls. All right, and I'm going to bend the knees, lift, and throw. Bend, lift, throw. Trying to still hug my ears. Bend, lift, throw, heels down. Bend, thrust your hips forward, and throw. Throw. And throw. One more time, forward. Okay, it's bend the knees, lift up to the toes, and throw. All right. You try that about 20 times, and sometimes I even joke around with my clients, like try in the shower when you wake up in the morning. All right, you might feel a little bit silly at the beginning, but you'll be surprised how much this tightness behind the back of your neck really